राज शमानी।
इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा पॉडकास्टर। तो आज मैं उनकी लव एडवाइस वाली वीडियोस देखने वाली हूँ। सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड। उस बंदे को क्या समझ है भाई प्यार की, वो मैं देख के हैरान हो जाती हूँ कई बार। और आप बताना आप उस चीज से रिलेट करते हो या नहीं। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
I feel if I have a long day at work and now I'm at home and I don't want to put any effort and just be lazy and just be with myself, I don't deserve to be in a relationship with someone. Why
ज्यादातर लोग ऐसे
always
करते हैं भाई।
प्यार उसी से होता है जो already it's gone or it's probably it's a wrong time.
Because that's when some change is necessary. मतलब कि अगर दो लोग वैसे ही मिल जाएं और उनमें कोई इशू ना हो तो कोई कहानी नहीं है ना. There's nothing interesting.
Men, we all need to learn how to compliment. अगर बहुत लेट हो रही है तो भी we need to compliment and we need to make sure that we compliment in a way that she feels it.
Yes.
Not just oh बहुत अच्छी लग रही ओके चले.
Yes.
नहीं.
Yes.
Look at her, make it romanticize, dramatize, make everything about your life.
Absolutely.
Genuinely compliment करो. जो अच्छा लग रहा है वही बोलो, फालतू चीज मत बोलो. It's okay.
Yes.
But give that little extra edge to her. Come on, like just be a little. I genuinely believe the most dangerous people are the ones who can stay calm when they're disrespected. What is that one advice you would give to people which is very important to maintain a love life? क्योंकि 14 साल अगर एक इंसान के साथ हो ना तो कुछ तो तुम दोनों सही चीज कर रहे होगे, which is why you guys are still in love together.
Your ego shouldn't be bigger than your relationship. दुनिया के साथ दिखा दो ईगो, दोस्तों के साथ दिखा दो ईगो, वहां दिखो अगर सच्चा प्यार है तो. अगर आपको लगता है कि यार उसके साथ लाइफ सेटल कर सकते हैं तो ईगो बिल्कुल यू हैव टू गेट रिड ऑफ इट. आप ईगो नहीं ला सकते किसी रिलेशनशिप में. इट हैज टू बी अ गिव एंड टेक. और
I genuinely believe that to learn, there's a difference between a sofa and a person. Usually with men are very objective driven. Look at two conversation between two women and two men. Two women are talking about how are you feeling? What is going on? Oh, that happened with your partner. How did that made you feel? You're always thinking about how can you get better and how can you make your feelings better. Men are talking about यार अगला घर लेना है, अरे अगली कार लेनी है. Always achievement. So they're so objective and achievement driven that they end up chasing that women that they want. They achieve it and then they treat it like a sofa. कि यार मैं जब घर जाता हूँ वो है ना. And it's not their problem. It's just they don't understand the fundamental difference between a piece of furniture and a person. Like you need to constantly make that person feel better, not feel like they've achieved. You know when someone hurts you and you try to be calm, but then suddenly you're typing like your life depends on it. One message becomes 5, then a paragraph, then I don't think you're understanding what I mean. And the weird part is, you're not actually trying to fight. You're trying to fix the distance. This is called attachment protest. When your brain feels like a connection is slipping away, it panics because your nervous system doesn't treat emotional distance as if it's a small thing. It treats it like danger. So when you fight with someone who matters to you, you panic. And your body reacts before you can think. That's why you start over-explaining. You're trying to be understood as fast as possible so the bond doesn't break. You're not arguing to win, you're arguing to reconnect. But you end up looking like too much, when in reality, your nervous system is just reacting like it's an emergency. Men are always confused about what women want. Not just confused at times, they are just clueless, acting like it's some impossible mystery to solve. But if you want a better relationship, most of the time, you just need to talk to her. It can solve almost every problem. Maybe don't give a solution every time. Sometimes she just wants to be understood. Try to listen without interrupting. Your silence is often the loudest way to say, I'm here for you. And most importantly, appreciate her out loud. It can heal things you didn't even break. In almost all the relationships, women just need 3 things: attention, time, and emotional safety. Try to do these things right, and the relationship won't need fixing. Men get so caught up trying to be the hero who protects them that they forget to be the partner who's actually with them. रोज रिलेशनशिप पे काम करना उतना ही जरूरी है जितना खुद पे और खुद की जॉब पे. इन्होंने ये एनालॉजी समझ लीजिए कि जैसे तुम अपनी जॉब से फायर हो जाओगे ना, 2 दिन काम पे नहीं गए बैक टू बैक, उसी तरह से 2 हफ्ते रिलेशनशिप पे नहीं जाओगे ना, फायर हो जाओगे. But women are doing it.
They are increasing?
Yeah, increasingly number women are in fact choosing not to date someone of a higher value, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि फिर ना ये चीट नहीं करेगा, छोड़ेगा नहीं, जाएगा नहीं, तो मेरे से कम वैल्यू में तो ठीक है, ऐसे ही रहेगा, हमेशा रहेगा, I'll be there for it. The most common relationship pattern that destroys love is when she needs reassurance, but he pulls away. And the more he pulls away, the more anxious she becomes. She starts thinking if he even loves her. But he's confused. Why is she being so needy and not giving him space? And just like that, they're stuck in a loop. This is called anxious avoidant trap. What happens is that her attachment system gets triggered by distance. So she feels safe through closeness. And his attachment system, on the other hand, gets triggered by emotional intensity. So he moves further away. Neither of them is wrong. They're just speaking different emotional language. She learned love means constant connection. And he learned love means independence. So she chases what feels like safety to her, and he runs towards what feels like safety to him. And they both end up feeling unloved. When really, they were just trying to feel loved. I don't want to marry at this point. Yes. And I don't even know why. But यही सब इसी सिचुएशन में क्या यू नो इनफैक्ट इफ यू लुक एट कि वन ऑफ द रीजन विच आई फील इज़ जो मेरे दोस्तों में मैं एक ट्रेंड देख रहा हूँ और बहुत सारे लोगों को लाइक हु आई नो इज़ कि पेरेंटल प्रेशर कि बेटा शादी का क्या प्लान है ये वन ऑफ द टॉप 3 रीजंस है फॉर एंजाइटी एंड स्ट्रेस क्योंकि सो मैनी पीपल आई नो वो अपने फैमिली गैदरिंग्स में जाने से कतराते हैं, डरते हैं, उन्हें जाना ही नहीं है, ज़्यादा रिश्ते नहीं रखना बिकॉज दे नो दैट उनसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. There's this quote, love isn't the meeting of two souls. It's the collision of two egos. And whoever can bleed without keeping a score makes it last. It's so harsh but true. Because no matter how much you love someone, you still have pride. You still have a need to be right, to be heard, to be seen. And so do they. Every fight, every disagreement, it's not just about the issue. It's two egos clashing, each one wanting to be right. And the thing is, love doesn't last because of grand gestures or perfect compatibility. It lasts when one or both people can swallow pride in the moment and not turn it into a competition of who gave more, who hurt more, who compromised more. But if both people keep defending their ego, the relationship becomes a war. Because in the end, love doesn't mean the absence of ego. It's learning to let it take a hit so the relationship doesn't.
My definition of who's the right partner according to me, जिसके साथ तुम अगर बैठे हो और कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो सही पार्टनर है. मतलब तुमको उसके साथ सिर्फ बैठना भी चाहिए. नहीं कर रहे हैं बात, हम दोनों सोच रहे हैं अपनी दुनिया.
Best compliment you can give to someone for starting a conversation or just to build a deeper connection is to give them compliments on their taste and preference, not on their looks.
वंडरफुल.
So अगर आप पार्टी में भी जाते हो then people ask कि यार मैं रैंडम किसी लड़के को देखा है, लड़की को देखा, मैं उसको क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट. I'm like whatever they are wearing or the color that they've chosen to wear, you can compliment on that. Men and women are not same, right? And the biggest problem is that we think that they're same. Women are very feeling oriented, emotions oriented. Men are very fixing oriented. They're solutions oriented. They want to fix everything. They want a solution. They want to find solutions to everything. Okay. And what happens in these two mindsets? Now, when you're trying to find solutions, and if sometimes you go all in and you want to solve that problem, and when you know that there's no solution over it, you just completely ignore it. Whereas women, okay, they're very feeling oriented. So they will feel everything. Whether there's a solution for it or no, they would still want to feel that thing with you. So when you are trying to solve a same thing together, one person wants to feel it and the other person wants solution. So you always have to just think about it that, okay, if there's a problem of her, I need to treat it the way she wants me to treat it. And if the problem of him, I should treat it the way he needs to be treated. And not the other. What's the best advice you've got?
रिलेशनशिप एडवाइस मैं तो बोलूँ किसी की ना सुनो.
The best relationship advice and the best relationship tip I have heard of is to build a long-lasting relationship, you stop counting. So you stop counting mistakes, you stop counting arguments, you stop counting money. The only thing that you count on is on each other. And that's how the
Nice.
long relationship goes. Like, stop keeping a count of कि तूने तो इतनी बार गलती की, तूने इतनी बार ये की, तू like no.
Correct.
And that was to me was a game changer.
यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना, बंदों की रिलेशनशिप में फाइट भी हुई है ना, एक बार राज मामी की ऐसी कोई वीडियो आ जाए, ठीक है, मतलब यार सारा मसला ही सॉल्व हो जाएगा। अब लास्ट वाली ये क्लिप थी इसकी जो कि आपको स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा आर्ग्यूमेंट्स काउंट करना, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स काउंट करना, गलतियां काउंट करना। यार किसी की लड़ाई हो रखी है, उसके सामने ये वीडियो आ जाए यार, वो गुस्सा उसका आधा तो वहीं पिघल जाएगा यार। और ये क्या करेक्ट समझता है यार, लड़के को भी और लड़की को भी। और जिस तरीके से खूबसूरती से वो एक्सप्लेन करता है ना, लड़कियों को ऐसा लगता है यार यही तो चाहिए हमें, यही अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाहिए एक लड़के में, कि वो इतना अच्छे से समझे, जाने और बात करे। कुछ तो है यार इस बंदे में, कुछ तो है। और मेरे को ये चीज़, ये खूबसूरती बहुत अच्छी लगती है भाई इसकी, जिस तरीके से समझता है और जिस तरीके से उनको वर्ड्स में पिरोता है और बोलता है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है यार। आप बताना आपको इनकी वीडियोस कैसी लगती है। मुझे मज़ा आ गया यार देख के, ऐसे सुकून सा मिलता है ना देख के कि बस सुनते रहो यार, सही बोल रहा है बंदा, ऐसा लगता है। एंड दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो। आई होप यू लाइक इट। इफ यू डू देन प्लीज लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल बिलो, एंड आई विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टिल देन बाय बाय।